Welcome to the lecture series. We are going to begin in the book on page 20. The pages previous to that are a good review of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division if you feel like you want to go back and review. We will begin as a class on page 20 with the language, notation, and numbers of mathematics. We're going to talk about the different number families. Our first family is called natural numbers. Natural numbers are whole numbers starting with 1. So everything above 1, natural numbers. Our second number family is whole numbers. Those include all of the natural numbers, but in addition we add the 0. So 0, our third number family is integers. Those include all the natural numbers plus the 0, so all the whole numbers, and the negative numbers. So let's say we start with -2, and we will go on forever. So positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Let's talk about these numbers for a minute. On a number line, if I were to graph the number 2 on my number line, where would I put a dot? There we've graphed the number 2. What if I want to graph the -2? So our number line can be as detailed as we want it to be. We keep 0 in the middle. We can have a 1 and a 2. Let's say I want to graph -1.5. That would fall right between the -1 and the -2. Or if I want to graph 0.75, graph right over here. That was a -1.5. So numbers to the right of 0 are positive numbers, and numbers to the left of 0 are the negative numbers. And those are all included in the integers family. Let's talk for a minute about absolute value. Here's my number line. When we refer to absolute value, it's asking me the distance from 0. And the way that's written mathematically is I have 2 lines and then a number in between. So this is asking me what is the absolute value of 4. So how far away from the 0 does it take me to get to the number 4? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So the absolute value of 4 is 4. If I had a -4 in my box, how far away from the 0 is the -4? 1, 2, 3, it's still 4 places away. So the absolute value is asking me how far away from 0 am I on the number line. And these little brackets here are kind of a reminder that you're talking about the number line. So how far away from 0 did you go on the number line? Let's say I have a -2.5. What is the absolute value of -2.5? Very good. It is 2.5 places away from the 0. What if I have a fraction? 3/4. First off, where would I graph that on the number line? Okay, 3/4. And then how far away from the 0 did I go? 3/4. That's our absolute value. It's how far away from the 0 did I move on the number line. The absolute value is always a positive number, no matter what was inside the brackets. So whether I travel left or right on from 0, I'm still going a positive distance.